I'm Michelle Fiore, and I'm going to be explaining the data needs, the data collection, and the data analysis for this evaluation based on our research questions. And we'll be talking a little bit about ethics as we go through. Since we want to know if the frequency of payday loans is decreased, we need to conduct a simple comparison on a payday lending data from the years surrounding passage of SB 32. There's already a database developed and ran by an international company named Veritech. Veritech collects data on the number of payday loans issued, amounts paid in principal, interest rates, and the number of payday lending storefronts. Veritech is a private company with no stock in the payday lending institutions or the state government. This is unbiased, third-party information that is used by lobbyists for SB 32 and by the payday lending industry who want to show efforts at compliance. In our evaluation, we intend to look at payday loan data the year before SB 32 was passed and the year after SB 32 was passed to find out if Kentuckians really borrowed less loans. To answer if the cost of a payday loan is decreased, we can also look at Veritech data collected on interest and principal paid. The borrower should be able to pay off the principal and interest faster without having to take out another or multiple loans. We will partner with organizations working with the low-income population, who are the current payday loan targets, to help attract borrowers to focus groups. They will share and compare their experiences with borrowing payday loans. We intend to include diverse participants from rural and urban settings. We will follow up with the focus group participants individually with phone interviews. The idea is to get a bigger picture of how the payday loan borrowing experience has changed since the passage of SB 32. Participation in the focus groups or the interviews is strictly voluntary. We want to give the payday loan industry adequate time to learn about and train lenders on the new regulations. After 6 months, we will evaluate the payday lending industry's adherence to this policy by sending in secret shoppers. The individual will go apply for a payday loan, making sure that the lender clearly explains the loan terms. They are being charged interest rates and service fees that match SB 32 guidelines, and that they are explicitly told how much the loan will be, how much it will cost, including service fees and interest. The secret shopper will report to the evaluators about their experience. The storefronts will know there is potential of a secret shopper visit at any undisclosed time, and that necessary action might be taken against their business if they engage in illegal activity. Veritech data will allow us to know if any storefronts have closed, removing the payday loan option as a lending option for borrowers. Throughout our focus group and individual interviews, we will ask specific questions regarding barriers or complications that an interest rate cap might have unintentionally introduced. We hope to learn from the borrowers if things got better, or if new problems arose through open-ended interview questions.